Number 3. DEWALT DW088K Crossline Laser Level. The DEWALT DW088K is the best long-range laser level on the market. This device emits horizontal, vertical, and cross lines for accurate measurements up to 100 feet indoors. With a separately sold detector, you can even see the beam for up to 165 feet. One of the standout features of the DEWALT DW088K is its impressive visibility range, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. The accuracy of plus or minus 1/8 inch at 30 feet ensures precise measurements every time, exceeding expectations in our tests. The self-adjusting feature within a 4-degree angle makes it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The rubbery outer molding protects the device from damage, adding to its durability. Plus, it comes with 3 AA batteries, a magnetic pivoting base, and a carrying case for convenience. You can also use it with a 1/4 inch thread tripod for added stability. What I love most about the DEWALT DW088K is its combination of accuracy, performance, and ease of use, making it a top choice for professionals or serious DIYers. However, the lack of a 360-degree function may be a drawback for some users, but this can easily be overlooked considering its other impressive features. In conclusion, the DEWALT DW088K stands out as the best long-range laser level due to its outstanding visibility, accuracy, and durability. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient laser level, this is the product to check out further.